actually puts the labor in thinking who gonna be the next guest in the coming week. So once again, I have got the adorable soul and the elegant lady, Dr. Kavlinder Girgila. She's over here and she's before you. She's got a beautiful smile. So very warm welcome to Kursima's Gupshup, Dr. Kavlinder.
Thank you.
Pleasure is all mine to have you. She is also connected to one of her own social organization she will share. But I just want to mention that I know her from past couple of years and she's got very, very beautiful soul and beautiful from her heart. And I always feel privileged to have an interaction with you. Very warm welcome once again to Kursima's Gupshup. Hope that today's show will add more beautiful memories to booklet of our lives.
Of course, indeed it will.
So, before we start with certain questions, I just want you to introduce yourself to the viewers. थोड़ा सा अपने बारे आप, share something about yourself. She is doctor, as you know, I use the prefix doctor, but what exactly, which, specialization and everything, please.
Well, first of all, I am really grateful to you for inviting me.
Pleasure is all mine, ma'am.
I am, as you already introduced, a doctor. I have done MD in physiology.
Okay, MD in physiology.
And presently I am working as a professor in Guru Ramdas Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Amritsar.
Okay, so you are working as a professor over there and you are practicing also somewhere, or that is the full time you are?
No, that's full time. Although I sometimes am an assistant to my husband who's a dermatologist.
Yes, and guys, those who are the Amritsari specialists, the viewers, Amritsar, it's a very renowned personality and a renowned name. Dr. Prem Jyot Singh Girgila is the better half of ma'am. So
I have done a few courses in dermatology, in cosmetology segment.
Okay,
so
in cosmetology.
sometimes I deal with that at the clinic.
And it's been a couple of weeks that most of my episodes recorded, maximum guests I had got the doctors. I don't know, it was destiny, it was destined somewhat or somehow. But yes, every time, I could, get many more things to learn from the personalities and to share a lot through my channel to all the viewers of the channel. And I would like to mention Dr. Kavlinder's nickname is Monica. So I, out of love, do mention in between Dr. Monica. So I hope you won't mind, Dr. Kavlinder.
I would love it too.
She'll love it too. So Dr. Kavlinder and Dr. Monica, both the one soul, and with all the, you can say, the sensitivity in the heart, and yes, a desired and very focused life she's dealing. Okay, Dr. Monica, so you are a doctor, your husband is doctor.
My in-laws are too. They are doctors too.
Yes. Your mother-in-law, Dr.
Amarjit Kaur Girgila.
Dr. Amarjit Kaur Girgila, and
she's MD medicine. Though they are not practicing, they are
she's
octogenarians.
MD medicine.
Right, both of them.
Yaar, sara khandani doctors ka and all these specialized people. I need to be conscious, guys, to take the interview because they are highly qualified people. I need to think twice before questioning this lady. Anyways, so this was per chance, or it was a choice that you got married into, you were doctor, you got married into the doctor's family, or
No,
there
it
is
was
a story
my
behind?
choice. It was a choice.
So there is a story behind, and I would love to listen
No,
to
it
the
was
story.
a choice.
Okay.
I think most of the girls have some dream regarding their life partners.
Yes.
Right? So my only thing was that I need to be married into a doctor family.
Okay.
And one thing, I never wanted a huge family, from the in-laws side. I never
Okay.
wanted to be in a very extensive type of family.
Okay.
So I feel blessed. God has granted me both my wishes.
Okay. So that is the choices when they meet your, your luck also, and nothing better than this.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So it's been how long that you are into this wedlock? It's been how long
I think almost 26 years.
of your marriage?
Yes.
See, she seems so young, guys. She's got a beauty. After all, dermatologist, The wife का कोई इफेक्ट तो नजर आना चाहिए ना. Yes, Dr. Premjot Singh, your wife is young enough with a healthy and shining skin. Applause to your studies, Dr. Saab. Anyways,
Well, I believe, happiness reflects on your face.
Yes, happiness reflects
And if you
your
are
face.
happy and if you are contented, and that should reflect on your face. And
Okay.
that's kind of low.
Very
which
true,
gets
very
by
true.
nature.
Now, I just want to know few of the things about you that you have been, your parents' family, something I want to know that your upbringing.
I am from a business family, right? So
Again,
everybody
a
in
surprise.
my parental side, everybody's a
So
business.
it was your very, very personal choice to be a doctor.
It was my mother's choice, in fact.
Okay.
She always wanted me to be a doctor.
So any
Unfortunately, I don't have my parents. I lost both of them.
God
But it
bless
was
their
her
soul
choice.
wherever. I suppose they'll be very happy wherever they'll be right now. They'll be looking at you and they'll be really feeling very contented because yes, ladies like you, the daughters like you, always add a star to the parenting of such souls because when you set an example, that's what I believe. Yes, please continue.
So it was her dream, actually,
Your mother's
my
dream.
mother's dream,
Okay.
to make one of her kids as doctors. I being the eldest one.
You were the
so,
eldest, and then your siblings,
I have a younger sister and a brother.
and they both are
My brother, of course, is into business only.
okay.
My
Because you are
sister
from
is teaching. She is teaching in Springdale School.
okay. So one is teacher, one of the sibling is teacher, and because the family was having that business background, so your brother is looking into business,
Yeah.
and you were the first, the pioneer of this very thing that to be,
You can
somehow
say so.
that your mother's love and her blessings, laid a path for you
Yeah.
somehow.
Yeah.
That's
it
what
did.
I could, reflect from your
Right. Although
conversation.
she never lived up to that age to see me do my post graduation.
Okay.
We lost her at a pretty young age. But
Okay.
then, yes, I completed my MBBS.
But you completed your MBBS.
Yeah.
So, she could hear that prefix
Yes.
with the name Dr.
Yeah.
Kaplinder.
Yeah.
It's, it's something,
Right.
it must have satisfied her soul
I
that,
believe so.
okay. Now, because you have already, shared a bit about your family, I will address you as Dr. Monica because she's a very good friend of mine, and very
Yeah.
much connected to my NGO. And that's the only reason why I always get all those souls, especially for the Friday the guest day and for Gusima's Gupshup, because I believe these souls, it's been since long time into the connection and into the connectivity, and I feel that they deserve that their stories to be shared with the world around globally, because I would really like to salute their journeys. Now, Dr. Monica, you being doctor, married to a doctor, and you have the daughters, they are into what? They are
I have 2 daughters. My elder one, she is a dentist.
She's a dentist, again doctor. That was my main reason because it's somewhere around कि yes, doctor के बच्चे doctor ही बनते हैं.
They not
Okay.
always though. Like she's done her BDS and currently she's studying in Canada. My younger
Okay.
one, she is also pursuing psychology in Canada.
Okay, so both the daughters and you have, crafted a beautiful life, very sure, and for them.
It was their choice.
It was their choice.
Yeah. So whatever they are pursuing, it's by their choice.
It's by their choice. And you never told your daughters कि नहीं ये वाला ज़्यादा करो, ये इसका आजकल in trend है, या ये professional course would be better for you, या you never wanted they should be also be a dermatologist या professor like you. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
नहीं ऐसा I think होना नहीं चाहिए. I believe children should pursue what they like because that's
Very
when they do
true.
with the
I also
best
believe
effort.
that children are like the flowing waters. Let them make their own channel to whatever flow they would like to move
Yeah.
on. Okay. So coming to my next question, this is a gupshup. So that's what Gusima is doing with Dr. Monica.
Yeah.
Dr. Monica, you being in Amritsar from past so many years. I
Yeah, ever since birth.
Since birth you are here.
Yeah.
And you find that if I talk about town like Amritsar, not compared to the metropolitans, but the town like Amritsar, still at present era, even today, certain, difference has been made between boys and girls and in their upbringing.
Uh, it is, but I think with parents of our age or our generation, this difference is gradually, withering
It's,
away.
I suppose now when your daughters, their generation gonna pursue, they will not have this difference
Even I
at
think
all
in
in
our
their mind.
generation- Even in our generation, we don't have that difference. We don't, inculcate those feelings. in
You
our
don't
thought-
inculcate
in our
that thought
children,
process. You don't
Yeah.
believe in it, so you are
Yeah.
quite contented that, and you don't
I am.
believe that yes, there should be one daughter and one son, because normally people say that makes a balance of the, because you get the love of both the, genders. That's very true. But then nothing comparable to it if you have got the daughters. Daughters are always loving. They are always caring. I suppose you believe this.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, now because you are a doctor, your husband is also a doctor. So I want to know what sort of, the understanding the couple is having between themselves, that you are totally focused on your work and Oksab is totally focused because he is a very, Dr. Prem Jyot Singh Irgla is one of the well-known personality, especially for being the skin specialist, dermatologist. He has got that name in the town. So
Yeah, he is dedicated. Actually, if I won't be wrong if I put it, his profession is his first love.
okay, his profession is his first love, and then you come. Oh, doctor, this has been recorded, and my viewers gonna watch it.
No, but
And
then that's really good.
but you are happy with whatever.
Yes,
See,
why
that's
not?
always because I feel if the doctors are more dedicated towards their profession, it always gives the benefits to many people around. Many people around.
Yeah. And if he's happy, the happiness obviously will reflect in the
Reflects
family.
in the family. That reflects in the family.
Yes.
Okay, so you said that it was your mother's choice, but somehow destiny it was that she could, be to this time that she could see you
Yeah.
in this flourishing colors, and you must be sometimes you miss her. It's very obvious.
It's
And
obvious. It's obvious
very
for the kids
obvious.
to miss their
But
parents.
there are some
I know.
teachings, there are some phrases of the mothers, which why I am connecting to this question, because this is Garsha, and I really want that something good should come out of it. There must be something that always the tagline, the quoted words, because you must be having with your daughters, so
Yeah.
you must be having with your mother also. So any special lesson or any tagline that your mom used to have with you?
I remember one thing which she always used to say, that you should not be dependent on anybody for any work. She said
Okay.
if there is some work you feel,
You can do on your own.
you need somebody and it cannot be done, why don't you put in an effort and do it? So do not be dependent, try to do things on your own.
If you find you'll sometimes have so and so person will come and will do this task.
Yeah.
If that person can do, why can't you do?
Yeah.
That's what was the perception of your mom.
Yeah.
So
So just to add on to that, I in 11th standard, when after school, because when we got passed from our 10th standard, 11th and 12th were in college.
okay.
So
You were from which college?
DAV college.
DAV college.
DAV for boys. it is
Boys,
called,
yes,
right?
over DAV.
So I did my 11th and 12th medical
From
there.
Okay.
So I myself went there to get myself admitted. My
Acha.
parents did not accompany me. In medical college
At that time also?
Yes. In medical college also, I went alone to get myself admitted and do all the basic formalities,
So
because
this was by choice, or your
This-
mom said
this my parents, they said ki you are grown up, why do you need us to accompany you? What will you do except be a bystander there?
when you know how to
Because
consume
what they
home.
said कि
But you
हमने
know-
तो वहाँ खड़े होना है साइड में जाके, सारा काम तो तुम नहीं करना है, फॉर्म
Yes.
फिल करने हैं
Form
या
fill
फीस
करना है,
देनी
या
है
fees
या
देनी
जो भी चीजें हैं,
So
you
if
know
the
the
where
best,
the
so
money
why
is
don't you
needed,
go?
parents are giving you the money.
course.
But then again, it's always through my career, if some admission was going to be there, of course my parents accompanied me, and I had seen all my friends throughout even this present generation also, and my cousins, those who are younger to me, I've seen those who are going to some colleges, the parents are always being accompanied कि आज तो काम पे नहीं जाना, बच्चे के admission करानी जी college में.
हाँ.
This is a big thing.
Yeah.
But this
But
is like letting your daughter to get into this world
Yeah.
and stand on your
Yeah. So
self,
this is one thing I liked, and I'm really grateful for what they've done, because what I am today is because of this attitude.
That's really nice.
Right?
And
Because I feel confident in doing most of the things.
most of the things.
I feel
And
okay,
same
I
thing
can
you must be
manage.
transferring to your daughters
I
equally.
am, yes.
Right?
I am. I don't want them to be timid. This
You
is
don't
one
want
thing.
timid,
Yeah.
neither timid nor shrewd, but yes,
Yeah.
a balanced personality you
Yeah.
want. Okay, now coming to your better half, Dr. Prem Jyot Singh Girgla, as I said again, the renowned personality in the town. What sort of comfort zone or relationship you people share, especially this for the social world? Personally, I won't say, because I want to know, especially for being social in the life, or what sort of relationship you guys are sharing with each other.
Well, we've got a wonderful relationship. Right.
Yes,
As-
I bless that. But I actually wanted to know because in deciding certain things, personally, I would not like to talk about anything because here my Gursima's Gupshup, I always want something healthy should come out of it.
Yeah.
Being a woman, being a modern woman, living into this present life,
Right.
How your life partner is, what space he's giving to you, how far he's been there in your life's decision, he allows you to take decisions.
Of course, he does.
Okay.
He does. And also, since we are a joint family.
Achha, you're a joint family?
Yeah, my in-laws and me, we are all together.
All together.
And we all sit and decide, right? So they are always involved because their blessings and their opinion is very important.
Okay.
Right?
So it's that the warmth and you can say that understanding has been shared.
Yes.
And it's because he is into the practice, he's having his own clinic, and it's all the 3 meals of the day you must not be having together, or
No, we don't.
So how many?
Because he leaves at a different time, I leave at a different
right,
time.
exactly.
Right?
So at least one meal you must be sharing together.
Dinners.
Dinners are always together.
Yeah.
And when Dr. Sab is really happy, so what exactly is any pet phrase that he uses?
He's not very vocal about,
Because
his
I know
expressions.
Dr. Sab,
He's pretty,
yes, he's very confined to his
yeah.
work, confined to his personality, his own perception, and his doctors अक्सर ऐसे ही होते हैं. They're quite
नहीं सब
serious.
ऐसे नहीं होते. Everybody has one's own personality. So
Yes, so what, please say
and he's
something.
pretty polite and gentle.
Yeah.
And as you said about the relationship, see, difference of opinion happens everywhere.
Everywhere.
So in every relationship, be it is with spouse or with your children or with your parents or whatever, every relation has some difference of opinion.
Very true.
Okay? The issue is how do you sort them out?
How you sort them out.
And in our house, there's one thing, we never, ever speak in a louder tone.
This shows that how much education has been rooted in your actual day-to-day routines. Because yes, when you, it's something very common that you shout, you scream, you cut other person's talk, you say, nahi, aise nahi, aise. But it's when you, this is the real education, that's what I believe in. Whether you be a doctor, you don't be a doctor, but yes, this is the ultimate aura, which I believe, an ideal atmosphere, which should exist in families, and I'm really happy
I like that, yes. It's in the family, whether we like each other's opinion or we don't, but we would just talk in a regular way, we would never shout back at each other.
Never shout back. And your mother-in-law, she's also a doctor?
Yes, she is.
Okay. So she's into what?
She's done MD medicine, but since both my in-laws are octogenarians, they've crossed their 80s, they are leading a relaxed life.
Okay, but it's like because you are putting up with your in-laws only, and your mother-in-law, it's like because see, it's Dr. Monica, it's Gupshup. I want to know that ever because she's also doctor,
Yes.
right? And she is putting up together with you, right? So it normally happens that she says, "Nahi, Monica, aise nahi, aise nahi, because naturally she's mature, she's got the more experience." So how you deal with such situations then?
So most of being doctor and me into the same field, the understanding increases all the more.
फायदा doctors का.
है ना? And whatever she says by her experience, if I feel it is good and it has to be accepted, then yes, why not?
You do.
Yes, why not? And
Why
moreover,
not?
as I told you, my in-laws are one set of parents I have,
One set of them.
and I need to I get a lot of love from
You
them.
get lot of
and
love
I
and you
respect
value
them
it.
immensely. Yes, I
You
value.
value. See, my present generation, all the boys and the girls, especially the girls, you know, it's always said that the in-laws means, especially the mother-in-laws means it's something, a scarecrow, you know, it's something, you know, scaremonger,
Okay.
it's something, you know, it's something very scary. But it's something we need to learn from these people, yes, where the genuine souls are there. We need to show that compassion, understanding and respect for our elders so that we can have a happy and healthy life, I suppose.
And they're
At
super
least.
sweet and a very nice couple.
Okay, now coming to my next question. Dr. Monica, that you all, because you have been teaching, you always
Yeah.
feel that you must be dealing with both the genders, boys and girls.
Yes, I do.
So I normally, you must have seen in the Grusimas and Chit Chat Gupshup, I always ask, because that is my, you know, query every time. You find that girls are the better listeners in the class, or vice versa, or they are good in theoretical part, and boys are better in all the practical work?
No, as such, you cannot put a demarcation as far as the medical education is concerned that boys can do that or the girls can't
Okay.
do that. There's nothing like that.
Because you have been
It's
teaching
only-
to so
it's
many
personal.
batches, you
No,
must
it's
have.
personal effort. Whosoever has put in the best effort will excel, be it a boy or a girl.
Okay, so you don't have that very perception ki nahi yaar, she has scored 98%. She last time also was a girl, this time also it will be the.
Girls are a little more hardworking.
That's the
What
point.
we've seen is that they
They-
work consistently
They work
throughout the year.
consistently
throughout the
and
year.
yes, they
Right?
at least sit because it becomes difficult for the boys to give the sitting for the long hours, I suppose.
But
And-
sorry
yes,
to
they-
interrupt, but the boys I've seen they might, if I mean sometimes we feel that they're not being very attentive. But whenever the exam comes up or whenever
Okay.
they are supposed to put in hard work, they give their best shot.
Okay, so see, I am not dealing with I have been into teaching in colleges, especially the Khalsa engineering colleges, so I have been, my best students were always the boys. They always captured more skills. Girls are good at talking, but you know, coming up with the presentations and all, of course, they were more good. But then I felt that there is a set of perception that we people are carrying from generation to
Yes,
generation.
we are.
Because
We still
what
are.
we doing? With the perception we are carrying, you know, the same, the next generation, you know, tries to wear it same. We don't, you know, get the time for our own originalities. Is it true?
Kind of.
Kind of. And is it that, you know, how far your daughters, what sort of personalities they are having?
Uh,
They are making.
both of them have
Extroverts?
their own way. Yes, my elder one is pretty extrovert.
Okay.
My younger one is
Your elder
a
one's
little
name
more
is?
attached to me. My elder one is Jyotsna,
Jyotsana,
and my younger one is Mohina.
Mohina. So Mohina is a bit more attached to you.
Yeah, because I have a gap of almost 5.5 years between both of them.
Okay.
Right. So, moreover, my elder one, she's done her graduation from here, right? BDS.
BDS,
Right?
okay.
My younger one, she went after +2. She went to Canada after +2 to pursue her higher studies.
Okay,
right?
okay, okay.
So
For higher studies.
that was, +2. Although in other countries we say +2 is a grown-up age, but I think we being Indian mothers, we
Indian
still
mothers,
feel,
you have
yes,
that, you know.
little soft corner for the younger one always.
Always, it's always there. Me and my sister, I would like to mention my sister.
Because
Dr.
we
Rose.
always feel that the elder one is very responsible and can understand.
Yes, you know, but
Right?
sometimes I always used to feel that she's been getting the more, because we are two sisters, and I always felt that my dad is always getting the more, you know, my mom or dad, because yes, a year's difference is there, but then again, that chota one is a bit, you know, pampered one always. It's I don't know how far I may be wrong, but yes, but then we let it be. ठीक है चलो हो जाएगा grow up. They will take time and they grow up.
Right. So it is, see, by default, the love
By
goes
default,
to the
that's
younger one
very
as
right
such,
words
right?
you
So
use
it's
by default. Okay, cooking.
Of course, I'm a good cook.
You are a good cook. And what is your best? Are you foodie?
I am.
You are a great foodie.
Yeah, I am.
You like always the do you like the street food or not? You
I
avoid
do.
it.
No, I do. I love.
It means you also like the golgappas, water balls, everything.
Anytime.
Hey guys, see even doctors.
Anytime.
कहते मैम सारे डॉक्टर्स एक ही खांदे पींदे होंगे
नहीं, सब
सब
कुछ
आएगा
खाते-
डॉक्टर तेरे पूछ लांगे
सब कुछ खाते
so
पीते
you don't have a fear कि यार ये पता नहीं गोलगप्पे वाले का हाथ जो गया how far it is clear though the person is wearing the gloves लेकिन पता नहीं वो चटनी गला खराब ना कर दे all that
नहीं,
you
I'm
enjoy
not very
it.
finicky about that thing. Yes, basic hygiene तो you
हाँ
always
basic see hygiene is a separate thing but you
Yeah.
don't have that fears कि नहीं यार इसे गला खराब हो जाएगा इससे ये हो जाएगा
नहीं.
so you enjoy
Yeah, I enjoy.
so pretty well
That's what
guys
I
it
do.
means doctors भी इतना पढ़ लिख के हम जैसे life जी रहे हैं they are living like us okay. Coming to my next question, Dr. Monica, any experience in your life because you have been teaching from so many years, any experience that felt you that Amritsar because this interview is being hosted in the town of the Amritsar and it is not a metropolitan city, it's a very small town. You felt that we Amritsaris or the people of the small towns they lack somewhere or their perception is still that chota wala because if we compare to Delhi people I went to Delhi over because number of tasks I have to so that's like what they have got the different way of thinking because they are
Right.
their upbringing is different they are and we from the Amritsar start our life from the Bansal Bansals article bakers we aage Bansal bakers Bansal sweets or the Mathura chaat and then some particular very very particular brands are there which has been followed from generations to generations. So you find that being a woman in today's world to survive, especially from the people from the small town, they make a bit difference, or the people from the big town, they make a big difference in expressing themselves, especially the girls. I'm talking about girls.
A little, yes.
Because you have been teaching.
Because the exposure, the amount of exposure in a small town would be less, right?
That's very
It's not
true.
that I underrate Amritsar. I love Amritsar.
Me too.
Right? The only negative point I feel in Amritsar is the basic cleanliness and some lack of civic sense. I would say.
That
If
again
that
all
is
depends
taken-
upon us.
yes. If that is
citizens
taken
of
care of, Amritsar is a beautiful place.
Amritsar, yes, Amritsar is a beautiful place. That's very true. And Dr. Monica, do you feel that in present era, because you have got the daughters, so your upbringing is totally focused on that female sort of stuff, So do you feel that even boys need to be trained for the cooking, for the other stuff and something because
They need to be all the more.
all the more
Yes.
because people like me who don't know the cooking very well, then the things will be difficult if you will get such a girl, So what you feel?
See, in the current scenario, I think most of the boys would have discovered that if they knew cooking, things would have
A
been
bit
better.
better. Yes, my dear boys, she's very right. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਸਮਝ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਾਮਾ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਕਿੰਗ ਸਿਖਾ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜੀਣਾ ਸੌਖਾ ਜੇ otherwise it will be a challenging thing for you and is that sometimes it happen when you are very tired Dr. Prabjot Singh Girgla does he know how to prepare a tea?
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't it means
He doesn't.
चाय तो सिर्फ मैडम ही बनाएंगे जब whenever
चाय
you
तो
like.
मैं बनाती हूँ, but then yes, he is very good at making shakes. So morning जो
अच्छा,
एक
okay.
protein shake is one thing we have in the morning, both of
Okay.
us. Right? So that is his duty.
That
He
is
makes
his
it.
duty.
Yes, that
so
he
this
does.
is known as the gender, equality is being done. That's nice. Anything else? Because this is gupshup, nothing is planned that I would like to ask this or nothing is, anything else you would like to share with my audience? Anything else, because when you came, you must be having something, yes, this Kursima will ask, Kursima never plans to ask something. Though
That's what gupshup is. Gupshup
what
is never
gupshup is
planned.
never planned. Though I just, prior to this, I always ask you what you are actually, because at least I should know what my guest,
Right.
is, into what profession.
Right.
That's one of the details I always take. But anything
See,
else?
over and above what I do as my profession, you know that I am attached to an NGO, like
Yes.
Inner Wheel Club Amritsar
In a wheel
South.
club. You are working as the
President.
president. One more thing I forgot, guys. She's the president of the Inner Wheel Club of Amritsar. Is it South?
South.
Inner Wheel, yes. So Inner Wheel Club South, and it's been how long that you are into this social
It's
cause?
been quite a couple of years, and this is my second term as a president.
Second term as a president. So what basically you are doing? See, being a doctor, being a mother, being an adorable life, life partner of one person who is already a doctor. Now I want to know how this social responsibility you are pursuing.
See, I believe that whatever God has given us, we should be really grateful.
Yes.
Right, and we all are at least at a state where we can spare a little percentage of our earnings for charity,
For charity.
right?
So, being the
wherever
president
your
of
heart
Inner Wheel
feels.
Club, basically your club is dealing in what? You guys are.
See, this is an international organization. Inner Wheel is an international
Okay,
organization.
Inner Wheel is an international organization, and
And it is running in almost 103 countries around the world.
103 countries around the world. Globally,
Yeah.
it's been there.
Yeah.
And in Amritsar, you are the president of this
South. We have 6 clubs in Amritsar. I'm
Okay.
president of one of them.
One of that is the Inner Wheel South.
Yeah.
Inner Wheel South, because they're for the different groups, and this is the second time. This is your
Yeah.
second tenure. So, what I won't say the teachings, but what actually a perception you got, going through this service or going through this social service, what have you actually achieved that about humanity, about the human sufferings, about the other things, what?
No, when I see somebody passing through the suffering, right, and if I am able to help, whatever I can,
Whatever you can.
not me alone, my whole club,
Your whole club.
right?
How
Because
many
it's
members
always
are
a
there in the club?
teamwork.
Also, in a Wheel
We
South,
are around.
I would like to have a small chit chat for you also.
We
Around,
keep on adding. Some people come.
but
some
the
leave.
rough average,
I think we would have, on an average, 30 maybe.
and all are doctors,
No, no.
so they are from the different professions.
Yeah.
Housewives are also
Of
included.
course, we have a large number of housewives
Okay.
who are a part of the club.
So you always try to do something good, whatever,
Yeah,
because
we
that's
try
what
to.
the organizations are meant
yes,
for.
yes.
To conclude, any message that you would like to give through this channel of Gursima's Gupshup? Hey guys, nothing is planned, nothing is that Gursima's written the questions. It's just the Gupshup, because I feel if I plan something, it will spoil the motto of this logo. So it's Gupshup, and it should be the Gupshup. So anything you would like to conclude with?
See, there are 2-3 things in my life which I generally follow.
Okay.
Number one, I said because I do charity, that inculcates a sense of gratitude in me.
Gratitude.
I always thank
It's
God.
for every,
Okay,
every
because-
person, being human.
Yes.
Being human.
No, but
Samantha.
one thing is, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि you are grateful for whatever you have,
Yes.
right? That increases the worth of each and everything which is
That-
in your life,
in
rather
your
than
life.
pining for ये भी नहीं है हमारे पास, वो भी नहीं
so
है, वो भी नहीं
you-
है. You should be grateful and thankful that you
Okay, so
have
do
a
you
lot which
try
others
to
don't
be
have.
stay in the state of the gratification?
Everybody should do this.
should do this. This is the one thing. Then,
Right? And sometimes I say I'm toxically positive person,
okay, toxically positive person.
That
Hey,
is
guys.
one I use.
I
I'm very
would
positive
like,
about everything.
see, this word you will get only on the table where you have the 2 cups and this logo, Gursima's Gupshup, toxically positive. यार कुछ बंदे ऐसे होते हैं जो toxically positive होते हैं जिनसे रहा ही नहीं जाता कि वो कोई negative thought बोले या share करें. So you are toxically positive.
Basically,
That's
I
nice.
feel कि देखो, if you don't know any situation what's going to happen,
Right.
you don't know what tomorrow holds.
Right.
Okay?
So you should.
And then why think negative?
Why think?
If we-
And what other thing you would, because my show's time is
Winding off.
Yes. So what other thing that you would like to share?
I would what I generally advise to the people is go with the flow of life.
Go with the flow of life. So guys, it was a healthy interaction with Dr. Monica Girgala and Dr. Kavlin.
One and the same thing.
One and the same thing, because I know she's a very known person to me for past so many years. So we always address as Dr. Monica. She's a very sweet soul. So keep on watching Gurseema's Gupshup. Next week again I'm gonna meet with another Miss Femina. Miss Femina always means Miss Femina, Mrs. Femina. It's all one and same thing. I refer it as Miss Femina because she has got her own individuality. So guys, catch you soon. Next Friday, the guest day with the new face and the new Gupshup for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now it's time to honor my today's guest of the episode Friday the guest day, as well as Gurseema's Gupshup. So my coordinator of the NGO, Mission Deep, as well as the coordinator of the show, Mrs. Amrita Kaur is over here with a hamper, a small souvenir that we would like to share with you with our present guest, Dr. Monica Girgula. Thank you so much for being here. Hey guys, keep on watching every Friday the guest day, Gurseema's Gupshup with new face and the new story to be shared with you. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you, Dr. Monica, for being here. Pleasure was all mine. Thank you. Thank you.